Want to monetize your event photography? Here is how to set up pay-per-download on SnapSeek. Let's link your payout account. From your SnapSeek dashboard, head to your profile, select Billing, and navigate to the Payouts tab. Click Connect with Stripe and follow the quick on-screen prompts to link your existing account or create a new one. Once Stripe is connected, return to your dashboard and create a new collection. To enable the paid downloads feature, go to the Settings tab. Toggle on paid downloads and then set your price per photo download. Be sure to apply watermarks to protect your work across the gallery. Just go to the watermarks option under the Settings tab, upload your watermark photo, adjust the place and opacity as per liking. After that, you just upload your images in the collection as usual. Next, share your collection's QR code with your clients or display it at the event. On your client's end, the process is seamless. They scan the QR code, upload a quick selfie to find their photos, preview their matched shots with watermarks, click Buy Full Resolution, and enter the email where they want to receive the files. Then they proceed to complete the checkout. Their original photos are delivered straight to their inbox automatically. You will receive the payment via Stripe. You can access your Stripe account anytime to track the payments. Head over to your SnapSeek dashboard to start monetizing your galleries today.